Welcome to another video by the Market Maker SA. I hope you guys are doing good. I hope you guys are trading strong. And welcome to our last issue of our three-part series of the Market Maker cycles and understanding if they work in today's market in 2026. Before we continue, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell icon to be notified in case we drop another video. So yeah guys, and don't forget to tell us where you guys are watching from. And yeah guys, let us begin. So as you can see, today we are focused on our last pair, which is USDCAD. We're looking at USDCAD today, and USDCAD is actually probably out of the three one of the most normal ones that I've seen when it comes to our three series. So yeah guys, let us continue and let us begin. So we're gonna start from the daily like last time, and you can see what happened here is we had a specific area where market came into us a supply zone, gave us our first leg, and market gave us our second leg, which is very nice, very interesting, as you can see right there. Dropping to our H4, we can see market gave us this first leg. Market gave us this first leg in a two-legged thing. Market dropped, giving us weirdly a 1350 crossover, consolidating, and then market kind of faked the drop to the downside. Weirdly, market then came back and retraced, taking out all those people who were there selling, and we all know that we do not trade the first leg either way. So that was very interesting. I mean, if you went down to your H1 to try break it down, it was interesting. On the H1 market, it gave us that first leg, second leg on the H1 market, first leg, second leg of a 2-day period. Very nice stuff. Market gave us our level 1, coming back again, level 2, which was at the on a Friday, which we don't trade Friday. Market consolidates and market gave us that level 3. So overall, I mean, market, if you don't consider that as a level 3 and you think that market then came back, violated this and dropped for a level 3, then either way that's a level 3, which happened the next week. So overall, if you had taken it, I think you would have been safe, but you had to understand that in some of the bigger picture, you are trading a first leg, so you have to be precautionate. Anyways, then the next week market then did that. Turned around in the midweek reversal, probably on a Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, coming back, giving us our second leg on our daily and our second leg, and our kind of turning this into a 22 trade, a second leg of a second leg. And you can see right there, first leg, second leg, market came back off that second leg of a second leg again, and we all know what Steve Morris says after that: market cannot come back, or will not come back. So yeah, from that, then market gave us that 1315 crossover, dropping down, giving us our first level of drop. You can see right there off the level 2, market gave us that interesting level 1, which was violated, but I don't really see it. Level 2, and market finally dropping for level 3. Very nice stuff right there, clean stuff. It was an in and out thing on a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Caught it on the Wednesday as a midweek reversal, dropping down on the Thursday with the pin. You could have made your money here. Quite nicely. So it was a nice rollover. That's what I say. This was probably one of the most simplest to break down, and it was one of the most easiest to understand as well. Since the market giving us our second leg on the next week, coming off that. Excuse me, right there. Coming off that reset pattern right there, gave us our second level of drop, which was very nice in and out level 1, the H1, level 2, and level 3 right there. If you wanna be more technical, it's right there, that last push. And you can see what market did there for the next week. Market kind of went in this weird consolidation phase. I don't really count that as a level 3, because you can see the level count was not complete on the H1. We have level 1, level 2, and then there's no really a significant drop right here to say level 3. So that was very interesting. Market then coming into the next week knowingly, we all know. I mean, it wasn't to say that we all know, but it was also quite interesting because there was no pin to the 50 on the previous week, so that could have been an indication to you of the H4, of course, that market might not do anything at the time. Into the consolidation, as you can see right here, giving us that pin reset pattern, H1, safety trade pin, safety pin to the 200. Great stuff. And market finally dropping for that level 3. Honestly, fantastic stuff. I really can't complain. Market and giving us, I'd say it's a very interesting pick formation that could bode trouble for the future. Honestly, I mean, that you could say that's a level 1. You could say that's a first leg. Honestly, that is a first leg. When you see of this first leg, market gave us this first rise into that consolidation. Well, not even the consolidation, as the rise, the first rise started here, continuing on to the next week, giving us that level 1 right there. Because as you see, the 5200 crossover is about to happen. Where onto the week that we're in currently, and the only cross that we have here is right here, and the 1350 crossover right there, confirming our level 1. So yeah, guys, as you can see, obviously what we would then expect here, we expect a consolidation. Better consolidation, probably a drop to this supply zone level 2, and then straight flat, nothing crazy, straight flat as a straightaway, and finally giving us level 3, then dropping down. Or the level 3 might even be short, coupled with a lot of consolidation. Market finally giving us that level 3 pick formation high. First leg, second leg might be delayed a bit. Get your confirmation, get in there and make your money. So yeah, guys, thank you. I mean, in terms of this one, I mean, it passes 100%. Market indeed does, USDCAD indeed does follow the BTI, the market maker cycle. Indeed, it does work in terms of USDCAD, so 100% certification. So in total, out of the 3 pairs that we looked at, 3 major pairs, 2 out of 3 that indeed do that indeed do work in terms of the strategy. I would say that's very good. I would say that's great. In fact, I mean, 2 out of 3 does in fact mean that the strategy does work all in all. So I think in terms of 2026, I think there will not be any problem. I think there's no problem in you continuing to use the same strategy again to combat the market. Honestly, I think it's solid, it's concise, and with the right execution, timing, and understanding, I think you can make a lot of money this year. So yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to look at our other videos. But yeah, guys, without further ado, happy trading and goodbye.